So today I'm going to be doing the Fenty concealer review. I just picked up some Fenty products, so my face is already primed and moisturized and clean and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my Fenty foundation because it just makes sense to use the foundation with the concealer and the powder that I got. So yeah, I'm going to use this foundation. I have mine in 390. This is dark for me, as I'm sure you can tell by the bottle. This is like my summer shade, but it's definitely not summer. So I'm just warning you now, this is too dark, so don't come for me. But yeah, we're gonna use this. So I just finished my foundation. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got the Fenty, this is the Pro Filtr Instant Retouch Concealer. I got the color 380. They have 50 foundation shades, so they have 50 concealer shades, and every foundation has a corresponding concealer. But it's not like an exact match, so every concealer is a little bit lighter than the foundation, I believe. So my foundation is already dark, so they did have 390, 385, and 380, but I thought 380 would be the best to highlight with when I was swatching them. So yeah, this is what that looks like. The packaging looks basically just like the foundation, just smaller, a little bit cuter. And then this is what the applicator looks like. And then this is the shade I got. And that's actually a swatch of, technically a swatch of my foundation right next to the swatch of that concealer. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the usual places I highlight. And I have been watching reviews on this, so this is like a first impression, it's not really a review, but I have been watching reviews on it and they have been saying a little goes a long way. So I'm going to try not to use too much. Guys, my mustache is on like 100, so we're just gonna move past it. I was looking at myself in the mirror the other day after I did all my makeup, and I was like, dang, I should really shave my mustache. I was like, nah. Like, I just keep forgetting, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. I wanted to use my beauty blender because I know this works well. I didn't want to use the Sonia Cash Hook sponges just because like I'm still kind of trying these out low-key, so I just wanted to go with something that I know I like and I know works well. So I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but I don't have the Fenty primer, so I didn't prime with Fenty, but it's okay. I think I left the concealer dry down a little bit too much, but that's okay. Alright, now for the true test underneath the eyes. Wow. You guys, Rihanna has done it again. Did anyone ever doubt it though? Because I mean, I didn't, but this concealer is so pretty. Like, it looks so good. I don't know how full coverage it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more. Try and hide these darknesses, and then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with this as well. This concealer looks so pretty underneath my eyes. I'm gonna get close up so you guys can kind of see what we're working with here. Like, underneath my eyes looks so good. I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but I'm really liking the way this is turning out. I also got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So that's what that box looks like. I got mine in the shade Cashew. So yeah, I did swatch Banana. And even though I was, like I said, I was watching a lot of reviews, they said Banana was more like translucent, if you will. But I don't know, Cashew just seemed like it would go a little bit better with like the undertones in my skin. So that's what I got. Oh damn, I thought it came with a puff. It doesn't. I was not expecting it to look like this. When I first saw the video, like the first person's video on this, I was like, what? Like, I don't know. I didn't know what I was thinking it was gonna look like, but this wasn't it. Yeah, it's super cute. It is pretty big. It's like the size of my palm. So you do get quite a bit of product. This is 0.98 ounces. So the setting powder was 32, so this is 32, and then the concealer was 26. And then it did also come with this little plastic insert. It says FB on it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that you put this in there like when you want to stop. I don't really know what this is for, to be completely honest with you, but it came in there too. So I want to show you guys the color of this. So that's the color of it. That's why I got it. It looks like the banana powder is just a little bit lighter than this, but I think I'm gonna like this one. So I'm just gonna pat out the creases underneath my eye really quick. And like I said, for like the millionth time, I did watch a lot of reviews on this, and they did say the powder is the same as the concealer. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to use a little. That powder is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm also gonna put it on my eyelids. Okay, so I'm gonna get up close again so you guys can see. The rest of my face isn't set yet, so that's probably why it looks so crazy. But this powder just makes you look so smooth, and like my face is so soft now. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use that powder to set the rest of my face. I don't know if I should, probably not, but I'm going to. I am finally finished. This took me so long to do, but it's okay. I really like the way that this look turned out. So I did use the concealer to cut my crease, and it did turn out well. It worked really well. I was expecting that because of how it worked on my face. My under eye still looked really good. There's a little bit of creasing, but that's to expected because I have creases underneath my under eye, so that's normal. There's actually less creasing than there usually is, so that's cool. The setting powder is really nice. I actually used the setting powder underneath my eyes to catch all the fallout from all this eyeshadow that I put on, and it worked really well. So I am a fan of both of these products, both the concealer and this, and together they're just so pretty. And I just wanted to come back and show you guys and tell you guys what I thought of the products. Like I said, this is just a first impression, not really a review. So yeah, hopefully I remember to do a wear test, and I'll maybe come back to you guys in this video to show you guys how it's wearing. But yeah, I'm gonna get closer to the camera now so you guys can see. Oh shit, I almost fell. Then let's do a little zoomy zoom. I wish you guys could like see it in person because the camera does not do it any justice. All right, that's it for this first impression. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you have any questions about any other products that I didn't mention. Leave them down in the comments, and I'll tell you where it's from or what it is. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been a while. It is now 9:20. I did this video probably at like 12 or 1, probably more like 12. So 12:31. So I've been wearing this foundation, concealer, everything, all this makeup for like 8.5 hours, 8 hours. So that's like a full day's work basically. I am very oily, which doesn't surprise me. Usually throughout the day I blot my face like when I'm at work, but today I like filmed this video and then I didn't really do much else. Like I was just working and stuff like that, so I didn't really like bother to blot my face or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the brush that I use for powder. Go over it. Oh, I should have showed you guys that close first. That was dumb. As for the concealer, it did crease, but not too much. It's still intact. It's not like breaking up or anything. It still looks really good actually. Usually foundations start to like break up around my nose and like concealers and stuff, but it didn't. Shit, I almost fell. It didn't. It's doing pretty good. I still like the way that it looks. I think it still looks really good. So concealer and powder are a yes for me. I love these. So yeah, if you liked this first impression, let me know in the comments and subscribe, like this or whatever, do all of that, tell your friends, sister, baby daddy, mama about my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.